Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Zalith updated, OS patched, and a stable connection. First, open Zalith and sign out of any temporary sessions. Once done, navigate to Settings Accounts. This is where you'll add external identities. Make sure your Microsoft credentials and two-factor device are at hand because you'll be prompted immediately. This avoids lockouts and speeds the flow. Proceed to the Accounts panel now and click Add Account to begin linking Microsoft. You'll now authenticate. Choose Microsoft from the Add Account list and pick Personal or Work. Zalith launches an OAuth window. Grant the launcher permission to access basic profile and Xbox/Minecraft entitlements if asked. Once the browser shows success, return to Zalith where it verifies the token. If prompted, input your two-factor code. This final step confirms ownership and links entitlements like game licenses. Make sure you accept all permission scopes Zalith requires to enable content and cloud saves. You finish by verifying the account appears in Zalith's accounts list with the right email and that entitlements are present. Then launch a game profile to confirm licenses, world access, and skin sync work. If something fails, first sign out, then remove and re-add the Microsoft account to force token renewal. Also make sure system date/time is correct, temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewalls, and clear Zalith cache. That single troubleshooting tip: revoke and reissue the token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.